Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma, and today we will be seeing how to prepare sweet biscuit ronti. Sweet biscuit ronti is usually prepared as a 4 o'clock dish. It has the appearance of diamond cuts. It is crisp and fried snack that has a biscuit-like type texture inside. It is a favorite dish of both children and elders. Its main ingredients are maida and milk. It is very easy and simple recipe. Coming to the ingredients, you need 1 cup maida or all-purpose flour, a small spoon baking soda, 1/4 cup milk, half cup sugar, salt, a small pinch, and oil for deep frying. Mix sugar, salt, and milk thoroughly and keep aside. I will call this milk mix. Take a wide mouth mixing bowl and add maida to it. Add small spoon of baking soda and mix well. If you want to increase the taste, then add cardamom or elaichi to it. Knead the flour using milk mix. Add little by little and mix well. No water has to be added. If you feel that milk mix is not sufficient for kneading, even then do not add water. Add plain milk. Once you finish kneading the dough, wrap the dough with a wet cloth. This is done so that the dough does not dry out. Let it rest for half an hour. Now make small portions of the dough. Roll it little thin. It should be thinner than the chapatis. Cut into small diamond shapes using a knife. Heat oil in a kadai or for deep frying. Drop the diamond cuts in the oil and fry till golden. Drain away excess oil using kitchen towel or a strainer. Your biscuit ronti is ready. Enjoy with family and friends. It will stay for 1 to 2 weeks. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.